This is our Stairmaster machine, a matrix Stairmaster machine. I think pound for pound, this is the best cardio machine that we have. Today we're going to show and demonstrate how to use this machine properly. As she steps onto the steps, you have a couple options. First is a manual option where you can select and control the speed yourself. So all you would do is hit the go button. When you hit the green go button, on the handle here you have a plus and minus sign, and that will control the speed of the steps. So you can speed it up or you can slow it down. Or you have an option, there are 6 already programs for you on the machine. At that point, you would select the program that you would like. It's going to ask you a series of questions. From there, you will input certain data, and then the program will start and it's controlled for you. Another great feature for this machine, one of the handlebars here you can hold on to as you're stepping, but also up top here, as you can see, there are 2 handles. If you put your hand on them properly and close down, it will take your heart rate. But 2, it also, you control the speed with the plus minus. If it's getting too fast, you can slow it down. Or if you're getting fatigued, you can hit the pause button or the stop button as well. Lastly, this machine also has 2 emergency stops in case you slip, maybe you're getting tired. On the front of the panel, you will see you just push the lever down, or on the rail here, this red button, if you push that down, it will automatically stop for you.